Do you hate proving trigonometry identities? Now look at this one. Sin A minus cos A plus 1 upon sin A plus cos A minus 1 is to be proved to be equal to cos A upon 1 minus sin A. Now out here there's just a simple trick. Because we want 1 minus sin A, we are going to rationalize this LHS with 1 minus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. Alright, so we write LHS equal to sin A minus cos A plus 1 upon sin A plus cos A minus 1, and you rationalize it with 1 minus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. Write equal to below equal to, and because we want 1 minus sin A in the denominator will be kept intact. We write this as it is. So we show this in the first bracket, this in the second bracket. In the numerator, let us multiply this whole thing by 1. So sin A minus cos A plus 1. Now minus sin A will multiply all of this. Now the denominator stays as it is. In the numerator, however, you can see this sin A and this sin A has got cancelled. What do we want out here? We want cos A. So we have cos A here, plus 1 here. This is again a term with cos A, but this one is the term without. Now can you see this over here, 1 minus sin square A? That we can write as cos square A. So I'm just going to bracket this. Either you can write this cos square A, or you can substitute for sin square A as 1 minus cos square A. So we got up to there. In the next step, we will keep the denominator as it is. And in the numerator, we will take cos A common. Why do we take cos A common? Because we need cos A here. What do we have here? Can you see sin A plus cos A minus 1? Isn't this the same thing? So we cancel this bracket. Here we are, and that will give us cos A upon 1 minus sin A, which is what we wanted. So this is equal to RHS, and we say hence proved. Was that easy? So it's no point hating Trigo identities. All you have to know is the trick how to solve these. In the next video, we will solve something very similar to that is sin A minus cos A plus 1 upon sin A plus cos A minus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Till then, keep watching. Thank you for your precious time. Bye.